Welcome back, guys. In the last lecture we saw that the prefix OB, OX, OO is supported for only decimals and not float. So today we'll see floating point types. So we'll create a new folder, 3 float. Okay, so a.py, if we have prefix for binary, octal or hexadecimal, we can't use floating point types in that. Okay, it will give us error. So let's see this. CD pattern, CD3 float, CLS, a.py. Okay, so see, invalid syntax. Okay, we can't use floating point types in those values. If we have a very large float value, then it is converted into its scientific notation. Okay, so let's see example b.py. So suppose we have very large float value, something like this, then either it will be converted into its scientific notation, or it will be round off, or it will encounter dropping of higher order bits. Okay, so there are 3 types of losses: round off, okay, we have these 3 types of losses. So if we have a very large float value, then either of the 3 losses will be encountered. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is converted into scientific notation. Okay, e plus 1/8. Okay, this means 10 to the power 18. We have this value. Okay, we are getting this value. This means that multiplied by 10 to the power 18. Okay, e plus 18 means 10 to the power 18. Okay, if we have here e minus 18, then it will be 10 to the power minus 18. Okay, so this is converted into its scientific notation. So let's see another example. So let's suppose we have this float value, then print x. Look, this is round off. Okay, so 728, 3728. Look, this is 3728 and 3728. This is round off. 7 is rounded off. Okay, round off to 8. Okay, so this is an example of round off, and previous example was of scientific notation. Okay, now next example is now we'll see some scientific notation. Suppose we have a float value in scientific notation, e minus 12. Let's say print x. So let's see what will be printed. t.py 276e. Okay, it is printed as it is. Okay, so this is the scientific notation. This means that 3 point this value into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, e minus 12 means 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, simply. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see Boolean in the next lecture. Thank you.